Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me on another episode of PriMath Zoom. In this lesson, we will be adding decimals. So let's dive right in. What are decimals? Think about it. Yes, these are values that are less than 1. They are represented by using a decimal point, like this, to separate the whole numbers from the values that are less than 1. The values less than 1 are called decimal fractions, and they appear to the right of the decimal point. So here we have an example, 25.63. The 25 is the whole number, and this here in the middle is called the decimal point. And then we have 63, which is to the right of the decimal point, and these are called decimal fractions. Now let's try our first activity in adding decimal fractions. Dakota was saving for a Barbie doll. She saved $352.28 last week and $2,066.54 this week. How much did she save in total? So we're going to underline the important values. Good. So we are here, we have drawn up our place value table, and we just need to put the place values in. So what would be the largest place value in these two numbers? Right, so we have the thousands, then we have the hundreds, then we have tens, then ones, and after ones to the right we have smaller values, and we are going to represent that by putting a decimal point after ones. And then after the decimal point we have the tenths, and we have hundreds, we have thousands, 10,000s, and so on, but we're going to stop here. All right, so let us just put these values on our place value chart. So let's start by putting in the hundreds value. So we have 8 hundredths in our first value that is underlined, 2 tenths with our decimal point, we have 2 ones, 5 tens, 3 hundreds, and there are no thousands in this value. So let us go to our second value. Let's start from the hundredths place again. We have 4 hundredths, 5 tenths, put in our decimal point, 6 ones, 6 tens, we have no hundreds, and we have 2 thousands. Now, of course, you can start putting in your digits in the different place value from whichever end you choose, but I choose to put them in from the hundreds, from the smallest value. So let us put our sign in because we're going to add. If she saved some money last week and she saved some this week and we want to know how much she has in all, we need to add. So let us start adding from the hundredths column. So here, 8 hundredths plus 4 hundredths will give us what? Right, 12 hundredths. But can we write all the 12 hundredths in this column? We most certainly can't. So what we're going to do is we are going to break this number 12 so that we can leave some in the hundredths column and some in the tens column. Now in 12 hundredths we have 1/10, and 200ths. So we're just going to go right ahead and put our 200ths under the hundredths column, and we're going to add our 1/10 to the tenths column. So let's go here. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus that 1/10 that we brought over will give us 8. So let's write that there. Don't forget to put back your decimal point. So we're now at the ones column. 2 ones plus 6 ones gives us, yes, a total of 8 ones. Then in the tens column, we have 5 tens plus 6 tens, which will give us 11 tens. But can we just go ahead and write a 2-digit number in any one column? No, we can't. So again, we will have to break this up. We'll have to rename this 11 so that we have 1 digit in one column and 1 in the other. So in 11 tens, we will have 100 and 1 tens. So let's go right ahead and put these digits in their respective columns. So the 1/10s remain here, and the 100s we had added to the hundreds column. So 3 plus 0 gives us 3, plus that extra 100 gives us 4. And we're just going to go ahead and write it there. In the thousands column, we don't have more than one values to add, so we only have 2,000s. So we're just going to go and put it right here. All right, so now we are able to find out how much Dakota saved in all. So here, Dakota saved $2,418.82. So let's move on to another activity. Martin jogged 3,235.73 meters from home to the community park and 1,514.18 meters to the gym. How far did he jog? Now here is Martin, here is the community park, and here is the gym. And he jogged to the community park, then to the gym. How far did he jog? All right, so let's work that out. If Martin jogged 3,235.73 meters from home to the community park and 1,514.18 meters to the gym, and we want to know the total distance that he jogged, we must add. So let us just put our values in a vertical arrangement. So we have our first value and our second value. So we're going to put in our plus sign and draw the line under so we can add. All right, so let's start from the hundredths column. 3 plus 8 gives us 11. And remember, just like before, we cannot just write 11 under one column like that. We have to rename. So here we would have renamed to have 100ths and 1/10, which we are going to add to the 10th column. So in the 10th column, we're going to add 1 plus 7 gives us 8, plus this one gives us 9. And remember, as always, to put in our decimal point. Now, in the ones column, we have 5 plus 4. That will give us 9 ones. In the tens column, we have 3 tens plus 1 10. That is 4 tens. In the hundreds column, we have 200s plus 500s to give us 700s. 3,000s plus 1,000 gives us 4,000. So here, we would have calculated how far Martin jogged. Martin jogged 4,700 49.91 meters. Now it's your turn. You get a chance to work this out. After shopping, Mother wanted to know how much money she spent in all. She spent $6,597.42 at the supermarket and $2,604.63 at the meat shop. Calculate the total money Mother spent. And remember to leave your answer in the comments. Thank you for exploring with me today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave your answer in the comments. Goodbye.